How to create flashcards on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create flashcards on Memrise and how do you go about it. The first step is to log in into your Memrise account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next step is for you to upgrade your account. You have to upgrade your account in order for you to be able to create flashcards on Memrise. So to upgrade to the paid version, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and then you'll be brought to your settings page. Click on upgrade, follow the prompts, and you'll be able to upgrade. Once you've upgraded to the pro version, your app's interface will change, the home interface will change, and by the top part of the screen, you will see a course tab. Click on the tab and then select create a course. Then fill in the details of your course, such as the name, category, and description. Then after that, click level to start adding your flashcards. Note that you have to click level to start adding your flashcards. Each level can represent a set of flashcards. So for each level, add the word or phrase, its translation, and any additional information like pronunciation or example sentences. Once you've added all your flashcards, click save and continue to proceed, and then you can start learning with your custom flashcards. So this is basically it. This is how we can create flashcards on Memrise. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.